Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off dark mode on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now just scroll down and enable this toggle to enable dark mode. Now, as you can see, we have successfully enabled dark mode on our smartphone. Just like that. Now, to turn it back off, just go to the settings app and disable this toggle to disable dark mode. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on and off dark mode on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.